Strontium 90 is also known as bone seeker. It is a radioactive isotope of strontium produced by the nuclear fusion. As it is similar to the calcium, so it gets absorbed by the body and incorporate into the bones and the teeth. Strontium causes osteosarcoma, which is the most common primary malignant bone tumor seen mainly in children and adolescents. Occur most frequently in metaphyseal region of long bones prior to the epiphyseal closure, 40% in femur, 20% in tibia, 10% in humerus. X-ray show the Codman triangle from the periosteal elevation and sunburst pattern. Mutation of RB gene significantly increase the risk of osteosarcoma, hence it is associated with retinoblastoma. Leukemia is characterized by the unregulated growth and differentiation of white blood cells in the bone marrow, which lead to marrow failure and cause anemia due to decrease in the red blood cells. Infections, which is due to decrease in mature white blood cells, and hemorrhage due to decrease in the platelets. The acute leukemia most frequently seen in exam is M3 or acute promyelocytic leukemia. This is because the promyelocytic leukemia is associated with disseminated intravascular coagulation. M3 is associated with translocation between chromosome 15 and 17. The best initial test is blood smear showing blast cells. These are immature white blood cells. The most accurate test is flow cytometry, which distinguishes the CD subtypes of acute leukemia. Nickel is a metallic element with silvery white shiny appearance. Long-term exposure to nickel compound increase the risk of lung cancer and a poor prognosis for those who develop it. Nickel damage the DNA directly and also repress the DNA damage repair system. Exposure causes 80% cases of non-small cell lung cancer and 20% of small cell lung cancer. Nickel causes nose cancer. When people are exposed to airborne nickel without protection, they can inhale the particles into respiratory system, which can lead to development of precancerous and cancerous tumor. And this is because it directly damages the DNA in cells and by stimulating reactive oxygen species. An antioxidant is a substance that protects the cell from damage caused by free radicals. The most potent antioxidant is glutathione, also known as the master antioxidant. It is made up of amino acid glycine, cysteine, and glutamic acid. Glutathione is produced by the liver and involved in tissue building and repair, making chemicals and proteins needed in the body and in immune system. Vitamin E include tocopherol and tocotrienol. It acts as antioxidant as it protects the red blood cells and the neuronal membrane from free radical damage. Deficiency of vitamin E lead to hemolytic anemia and acanthocytosis, in which red blood cells have a spike cell membrane or thorny projection. Vitamin E deficiency also lead to demyelination of the posterior white column, in which there is decreased proprioception and vibration sensation. Also demyelination of spinocerebellar tract, which results in ataxia. Transferrin is an antioxidant protein that binds the iron and transport it to the proliferating cells. The ionic iron is very toxic and create free radicals. Transferrin acts as antioxidant by reducing the concentration of free ferrous ion. Transferrin also helps to protect the lungs from the oxidant injury. Vitamin C, also called ascorbic acid. It is an antioxidant as it facilitates iron absorption by reducing it to the ferrous form. It is necessary for the hydroxylation of proline and lysine in collagen synthesis and necessary for dopamine beta hydroxylation that convert dopamine to norepinephrine. Deficiency of vitamin C lead to scurvy characterized by swollen gums, easy bruising, petechia, poor wound healing, and hemarthrosis, that is the excessive or prolonged bleeding into joints. It also leads to perifollicular hemorrhage, subperiosteal hemorrhage, and corkscrew hair. Vitamin A include retinol, retinol, and retinoic acid. It is the constituent of visual pigment, essential for normal epithelial cell differentiation into specialized tissue, and prevents squamous metaplasia. Deficiency of vitamin A lead to nyctalopia, that is night blindness, xerosis cutis, that is dry scaly skin, xerophthalmia refer to dry eyes, conjunctival squamous metaplasia, which lead to formation of Bitot spot associated with keratin debris and foamy appearance of conjunctiva, and keratomalacia, that is corneal degeneration.